pretty excited. I was really nervous that this wasn't gonna work. My microscope that I just got from Amazon, pretty excited to use it. That's why I am here on this lovely Thursday night setting up my sample space for the bacteria growths. I lost so much content. I just literally went live and filmed the whole prep, but I'm just going to breeze through it right now. I went ahead, prepped some agar, nutrient agar, which is this stuff right here. And so it looks like it's open, it's tore open because I just used it. I combined this with about 375 milliliters of distilled water. So I did that. You bring it to a boil, you stir it, let it sit for about 20 minutes. During that 20 minutes, I also showed something really cool that I'm working on. My anime character that will hopefully learn to be responsive more to my triggers, like my blinking and my talking and all that stuff. But anyway, so I poured the agar after I got it off of the stove, off of its boil, and I allocated it into these petri dishes, to which you can kind of see I can't turn it because it's still solidifying, and I want it to be very smooth throughout. I don't want any bubbles or bumps or anything. Not that it will really affect it, but I just like a clean, look. So this one is actually very clean. It's like the best one that I did. That's why I put like a red dot on it. I don't know if you can see it, but I put like a red dot on it. Like I said in the previous live that I lost. It was very well poured and there isn't a lot of precipitate in it. It's very clean. Nothing's really fogging it up. It's not cloudy or anything. So anyways, I poured them and now I'm setting up my sample space underneath my desk in the corner with this pink towel, of course, because I love pink. I'm going to store it underneath at room temperature in a dark environment for an hour, and then I am going to inoculate with these Q-tips a couple of surfaces in the household, and then I'm going to do the gas station tomorrow and some of the really fun stuff, fun places and surfaces that a lot of us probably have been touching during this COVID thing. So I think it'll be just a little eye-opener. I mean, there's bacteria and fungi everywhere.
Wash your hands.
So yeah, you wash your hands. And of course, you can't avoid all of it, but of course the proper precaution would be to wash your hands. And I'm going to show you why it is so important that you remain diligent about doing so. So yeah, I'm actually just going to work on my animation character right now because I need her to be better. So I will sign on later maybe, or maybe just tomorrow when I'm finishing up some of the inoculation. Okay?